Hello, in a previous video I showed you how to do these bridle ties and it just switched off, so I am back. Right, okay, and what I've done is I've stitched it that way. Oh, there's a cat stuck on the fence, and I tied these two together like that because that was it, so I can put a tie in there as well. Oh gosh, that cat is determined. I wish I could show you. But anyway, let's not get distracted. This is called black fibre. This is what I'd actually taken out of but which is okay. It's not too dusty, it's not too old, it wasn't done too many years ago. Now you see bits like that you don't want in it, so we take that out. It's called teasing. It's called teasing it out. Tease it out. You just tease it out, because any sharp bits like that will hurt. You see, look, there's some other bits. They're like needles, you know. That's how hard they can be. That's a really hard bit. So if you used to sit on this chair, that would hurt. So you take that, you tease them bits out. Also, you keep this, the circles that way. You don't put it in that way because you'll have trouble putting it in your chair into the ties. Look, there's another one there. We don't want that. There's loads actually, yeah. So we tease all them out. You can see the thick bits. We don't want them. All them big thick ones, like needles. Okay, so you've got it. There's your stuffing. Black fibre, it's called. You don't fold that and then pull it in. Like I say, you're gonna have trouble getting it in otherwise. Anyway, let's get it in. So you do that first of all. You keep it flat that way, and it goes in that way. Just prop this up on something. We can't, I don't want anything to go wrong. Not again. That's it. Let's put that there on top of there to make the height. Let's show you what. Aha, there we go. Put it in like that. Put your hand there. That's it. You see, I put it on. You don't fold it in half. You just so that you're able to move it along. Then, right. So just keep putting them in. Tease these out. These pins. Keeping it flat as you can. There's another bit there. So I can move it along. Put some more in there, keeping it flat. So what I would like to do is put another little tie on. I'm just going to tie them together from this one. To the other side. Which means now, let's tease some more out of here. You see that? It's a big bit there. Take that out. Tease that out. Get rid of that. Keep it all flat. Into that side. So this might take a little bit of time to do, so I may stop the video in a minute and do it all, and then you can see the next stage. All right. It's good to wear. You can wear gloves and a mask. If you do get any of this black fibre, when you order it and it's full of dust, that's no good. You don't want that. I've had this black fibre for about 4 years and I've not got round to using it until now. But have bought it before, ordered it before, and it's these days it's no good. I don't know if it's something they're not doing to it. They're not, the chemicals they're not spraying it with, or it's just not working, and it becomes all dusty. It's no good. So it mustn't be dusty. If you do get something like that, just send it back and get coir. It's like a brown one. It's not dyed. It's similar to this, very similar. It's nice to work with. So that's just as good. I think it's more expensive, but not that much more expensive. It's lovely to work with. Whereas this stuff comes off in the dye, because it's been dyed. It comes off in your hands, so it's good to wear gloves and a mask if you're very sensitive. But like I say, it shouldn't be that dusty because it's treated. Now what I'm going to do, I mean, I've done that much so far, and what I'll end up doing is putting more in there. You see, I can move it across like that and put more in there. It must be very tight. And across there, I can put more in there as well. So I'm going to put it all in and then come back to you. All right, in the next video. Okay, bye for now.